Every day, billions of people touch this device. Yet very few know how it is actually made.
Smartphones have become the most powerful tools ever created, connecting the world in ways never imagined.
Before the iPhone, phones were filled with buttons, keyboards, and complicated interfaces.
A simple idea reshaped technology, removing complexity and placing everything on a single screen. Steve Jobs demanded simplicity, not just in design, but in experience. A new kind of phone emerged, built around touch, simplicity, and interaction.
But behind this simple device lies one of the most complex manufacturing processes in the world. Each smartphone is built from hundreds of precision-engineered components. At the heart of every smartphone is a powerful microchip, smaller than a fingernail, yet capable of billions of calculations. To protect these components, assembly begins inside ultra-clean environments, where even dust can cause failure.
Powering a smartphone requires a carefully engineered battery. Each lithium-ion cell is built layer by layer.
The display is the most visible part of a smartphone. Advanced glass and OLED layers are manufactured to deliver color, brightness, and durability.
Smartphone cameras are assembled with incredible precision. Even the smallest misalignment can affect image quality. The processor, memory, and communication chips are mounted onto the logic board, the brain of the smartphone.
Before assembly continues, every chip and circuit is tested to ensure flawless performance. The smartphone body is carved from metal to provide strength, precision, and premium feel. Robots handle the most delicate assembly steps, ensuring speed and consistency.
Despite automation, human skill remains essential for fine adjustments and quality control.
Once assembled, software brings the hardware to life. Every device is tested to ensure it performs exactly as intended. Before reaching customers, smartphones must survive extreme conditions.
Water and dust resistance are tested under carefully controlled environments.
Smartphones must function across extreme temperatures, from freezing winters to scorching summers.
Signal performance is tested to ensure reliable calls, data, and connectivity.
Speakers and microphones are tested for clarity, balance, and volume accuracy.
Every screen is tested for brightness, color accuracy, and touch sensitivity. Even with automation, the final decision rests with trained human eyes.
Once approved, smartphones are carefully packaged for global delivery.
From the factory, smartphones travel across the world, Hiradi, connecting billions of lives.
What begins as components and code becomes a powerful tool in the palm of your hand. This technology was never just about hardware. It changed how people communicate, create, and connect.
What began as a simple idea became a device that reshaped the world.
From clean rooms and robotic arms to the palm of your hand.
And this journey is far from over. The future of smartphones is still being written.
If you enjoyed this documentary, like the video and subscribe for more stories behind the technology that shapes our world.